Hello, my name is Tim Rowart, and I'm going to show you how to hook up a neonatal circuit on a Puritan Bennett 980 ventilator. First thing I'm going to hook up is the exhalation filter. This is what it looks like. Notice it's different than the one we use for the adults. It slides right in this side with the spout facing out. There's a slot that you slide that up into with the green filter on top. Close the door and then lock it in place. Notice that filter is pointing out. Next thing I'm going to hook up is my concha, and this comes in the packaging with the circuit. It goes on the top of your heater. Just press the blue lever down, slide that over until it locks in place. You'll hear it clicking. I'm going to unravel my water line pretty much just to get it out of the way. Put it right there. Next thing I'm going to do is put on my white inspiratory filter on the inspiratory side of the ventilator, which is right here. Now I'm ready to hook up my circuit. This is the neonatal circuit that we will use. The blue side of the circuit, the blue limb, is the inspiratory side. The white limb is the expiratory side. So I'm going to hook up my expiratory side to the expiratory filter first, but I will need an adapter. In the packaging with the circuit comes a bunch of adapters, and this is one of the adapters that comes with it. This is what we will need to hook up the expiratory limb to the expiratory filter. Attaches right like that, and then on to our expiratory filter. Okay? And the blue side of the circuit goes on top of our concha. As such. Okay? Now we need to hook up this other part of our circuit, this other limb that runs from the ventilator to the other side of the concha. We'll also need an adapter for that. It's the same kind of adapter we use for the exhalation part of the circuit. And it goes right there, and then this goes to the vent. Cut the vent, and the other end to the concha. And because we're using a neonatal circuit, we're not going to use flow sensors. Okay? This is what the flow sensor looks like that goes on the end of the ET tube, and this is what we use to mount to the ventilator. In the side door here, pop it open. Proximal flow sensor attaches right here. Put it up in there and shut the door. And now our flow sensor is attached. And that's how you put together a neonatal circuit onto the Puritan Bennett 980 ventilator.